Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can pin and unpin messages on Discord. So I'm just going to type in hello, and first I want to pin this main message. Right click, select pin message, and select oh yeah, pin it. And then here you can go to see all pinned messages, or if you already have like a lot of messages here, just go to the pin here and you can jump to that message. If you want to delete it, again, press the pinned messages and select delete. It's the same for private messages as well, but the message will still be there once you unpin it. And that's how you can pin and unpin messages on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!